Alright, this starts the review of Extreme Fairings. This is the install on the Gixxer 1000 2005. So right off the bat, the paint quality came out very good. You can kind of see right there that blue in the sun. I got the metallic paint and you can really see it popping off there and here on this front fender. And then here on the side fairing, you can see it as well. You can also see some of the fitment issues right there. Fitment issues weren't too big on the side pieces and the rear. The tank cover was the biggest obstacle, which never got installed. It just never went together. But the paint turned out great. Overall, I'm satisfied with it. I just washed it. Some guy on the bike singing. My seat was red. I had to paint it black for $100 or something, but it's worth it. The different color blues kind of added a little bit extra to the bike. You can't really notice the dark blue from afar off, but when you get up on it, you can see it. Really satisfied with this blue on the side, and then these pieces are matte black, but the fitment issues were here, right along here. Paint issues right here. You can actually see where that line is not all the way straight there. Of course, the tank cover, like I said, did not fit at all. They sent another one. It came broken. The tab was broken, so they failed horribly at the tank cover. I probably would not recommend ordering a tank cover. I just ended up getting the tank painted, and that worked. So let me know what you guys think of the two blues and the overall bike itself.